In this lesson, we're going to put some fractions in order. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use some models. Okay, so if we have a problem like this that says put the fractions below in order from least to greatest. So we have 6/8, 6/10, and 6/12. So you'll notice that all of them have 6 on the top, on the numerator, and the denominator is different. So when we have something like that, it's best to use a model to help you figure it out. And eventually you're going to remember what it would be like when we have the numerator the same and different denominators. So let's try to figure this out just by looking at these models. So we could see that 6 out of the 12 are shaded, right? And then here we have 6 out of 10 shaded, and here we have 6 out of 8 shaded. So these are bigger because there's only 8 parts. Because this is cut up into a lot of parts, then when you fill in 6, there's less, right? So this has the least amount shaded. This has the second least amount shaded. And then this has the most amount shaded. So let's do that. Let's finally finish off the answer. So the fractions in order from least to greatest are 6/12 is the least, 6/10 is the second least, and 6/8 is the greatest. So what you have to remember is that if you have fractions with the same numerator but different denominator, the one with the biggest denominator is going to be the fraction that's going to be smallest. Okay? So it's kind of like backwards thinking. When the denominator is big, that means the fraction is the smallest because it's going to be divided up into many, many parts and they'll be less shaded in. Okay, so don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You could also check out the description. There's links in there to other videos of mine that are related to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson with a link to this video. You can click on the link in the ebook and you could watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.